Welcome again, people, back to the channel. So we're there again. Just like and share and subscribe. Cause we still have a problem in Jamaica, people them still together one place. Anyway, still, we jumping on the news. Mayor of Kingston, Councillor Delroy Williams, is concerned about the continued close gathering of persons outside the office, business, community, clinics, and other establishments in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. Williams, who is also the chairman of Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, is encouraging business to implement single-use disposal numbering systems for large crowds of appointments to reduce the congregation of customers on the outside. Jamaica has confirmed 36 positive tests for the coronavirus, including one death. Social distance has been implemented. Non-essential business services have been significantly reduced on Wednesday. Jamaica closed its borders to incoming passengers. Implementing containing measures. Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced that schools are to remain closed until the end of Easter. He also announced that of Wednesday, March 25, public gatherings should be limited to 10. So people, open the hear that and keep the gathering to 10, and if you broke the law, say $1 million that. So everybody, let's follow the rules and obey, because we don't want a virus to spread all over the place. Anyway, like and share and subscribe again. Thanks for tuning in to the channel. Peace out.